Now, what is torsional rigidity or stiffness? Torsional stiffness is the amount of torque required to produce unit twist. Torsional stiffness क्या होती है? It is the amount of torque required to produce unit twist. So, unit twist आपको अगर develop करना है, तो when unit angle of twist is produced in unit length, we have T is equals to G into J into 1/1, क्योंकि क्या होगा, थीटा जितना होगा उतना ही L होगा, तो ऑटोमेटिकली कैंसिल होके 1/1 ही आएगा यहाँ पर. It is, yes, so this is a torsional stiffness will be equals to G into J. G is the modulus of rigidity multiplied by the polar moment of inertia. Thus, the term Gj may be looked as torque required to produce unit angle of twist in unit length and is called as torsional rigidity or stiffness of the shaft. And its key unit जो है, it is in Newton mm square.